Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Castro here, YS Stocks and Options. Hey, just wanted to talk to you guys about what I'm seeing in the market. Wanted to do this video on Friday, last Friday, but didn't get a chance to do it. So just going to go over a few things. So we saw the market actually opened up green, very bullish in the market in the morning, right? And then quickly it turned its sentiments with crude oil going to $80 per barrel, and then the market just plunged, right? Not a lot of good news in the market past the afternoon, especially awaiting earnings for the financials. But as we saw, oil jumped about $80 and turbocharged by supply shortages. We saw the broader market just take a plunge. The Dow Jones went down, the NASDAQ and the S&P 500. They closed session lower than it did in the last 2 days, trading days, Thursday and Friday. So, but let's examine Thursday and Friday. So we saw a huge jump here Wednesday, right? Huge volume, huge buying volume here. And as we saw on Thursday and Friday, right? Yeah, Thursday and Friday, buying decreased tremendously. So saw a hangman formed, and then we had a bearish engulfing candle, right? This here could have been a big indication that the market was going to try to fill this gap here for the downside, and understanding that we were not going to get any good news. And we already knew that oil was going to jump to 80. People projecting it's going to jump to $100. With the bearish engulfing candlestick and hangman, both of these were truly confirmation that the downside was to await come on Monday. So I'm really expecting SPY and just the broader market to test this support area here, $430, right? So here, $429.11. Yeah, so I'm really expecting the market to test this support area here, $429 this week, and then bouncing back, right? And bouncing off that support area somewhere, whether it's 430 or 429, if we don't have any good news for this week, and then bouncing a little bit higher, trying to test this resistance area here of $441, as it did test it on Thursday, and then again closing the week in a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern. So what we're going to see for this week, we're going to see more details on the state of the U.S. labor market whenever we get the Labor Department's YOLTS report for the month of August. And that's going to be tomorrow, Tuesday, right? Another key takeaway, we're going to see some of America's biggest banks, including JP Morgan, Chase, Wells Fargo, and Bank of America, reporting earnings on Wednesday and Thursday, respectively. And also Delta Airlines also reporting earnings on Wednesdays. Of course, we have other securities companies reporting earnings like Domino's Pizza. I think that one is going to be, it's probably going to do huge numbers. That one's supposed to report earnings to include other companies as well, right? But really wanted to go over SPY, what we see in SPY. Buying puts on Monday would have been super ideal. Would have been a great trade. Of course, like I said, I'm really expecting I'm really expecting the market to actually test the support on SPY here. Spider S&P 500 index ETF, should I say, to test $429 by the end of the week. And you can clearly see it in the stochastics here. It's crossing, right? It looks like it wants to go down. And the RSI is trading right below, which looks like the sellers are more in control of the market. Again, volume, we saw selling here, right? That's Monday, well, Tuesday for us, well, Monday. And we'll just have to see what happens on Tuesday and Wednesday, right? But I really think again, I'm projecting the market to test that 429, like I said before. So puts would be ideal for the traders. Me, I'm a long-term investor. I'm not getting into any trades this week, but I do have some that I'm holding on to for for about a month or so. Because as I look into the market a little bit long term, into like 3 to 5 weeks, I'm really expecting a rally on the last week of October, probably getting in a little bit early, maybe this week. If you're not in the trade, getting into like Wednesday or Thursday would be a good ideal trade to get into all the way to November, and in the mid-November and the November timeframe, because what we've seen in the last 20 to 30 years, right, in the market is that after a huge, well, 18 to 20 years, after a huge decline here in September, right, the market tends to rally right at the end, the 22nd trading day of October, rallying all the way, testing is 52-week high. And sometimes, most of the time, actually breaking through it, right? Again, the 22nd day of trading day of October, we usually see a rally to the upside, testing that 52-week high. Of course, we don't have 22 trading days of October, so we're looking into like 1st of November, that phenomenon happening. So I'm going to be getting into probably a trade, even though I'm already in one in the next few weeks. Seeing SPY test this 429 again, and I probably most likely I'll be buying some calls to mid-November or end of November timeframe, buying 10 to 20 calls. That's what we're seeing for the market outlook. Again, a lot of companies, really the financial sector, reporting earnings, and market still looks choppy, right? I think it still has more downside to go. So, but again, this 429 is going to be tested over and over again, as it was last week multiple times. Hopefully this was helpful. Let us know what you think. Again, I always say, always practice logic over emotions. And more importantly, see you guys at the finish line. Peace.